Oh my goodness, Ankr holder. This is an emergency update for all Ankr holder because Ankr from last 7 days, my friends, completely fell us down. There is no chance to them moving upward, but definitely it's time to them move up. They go and the moon. So congratulations, everyone comment and trend just an only hashtag go to moon, my friend. Ankr is go to moon. This time you can see here 12.54%, and this time all crypto market is falls down, my friend. You can see here, but this time today is going to be very good day for all coin, my friends. Today starting moving upward, but definitely Ankr one of the fastest coin, my friend. This time today starting moving upward. What's the future price, my friend? Again, upcoming times they moving upward. Again, upcoming times there is a chance to they go in the moon or not. Everything I discuss you in this video. Kindly subscribe this channel before I get started video and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification. So if you can see, my friends, they're moving in this circulation. If you can see here, they're moving in this circulation completely. So this chart is going to be showing, my friends, today completely moving and upward. So it's mean, your friends, you can see here after a jump they falls down, after a jump they falls down, after a jump they falls down, and every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. It's time, my friends, today go in the moon. This time you can see the change agar plus 13.49%. They're moving upward. What's the future, my friend? If they starting moving upward, if they continuously moving in this direction, exactly they go in the moon. After this jump they take a short fail, but after a short fail they take a very good jump, my friend, like that. If you can see this time they take a short jump, but after that, if you can see, my friends, they take a very high jump. So it's mean to they completely go in the moon. So you need to hold it and wait for the end of this just only, especially for short time. Exactly, they will give you very good profit and they make you millionaire. So you need to hold it and wait for a good time. This time the last 1 hour chart is also in the positive, you can see here. So it's mean to upcoming times they moving upward more than especially from last 24 hours. So exactly the good time is a soon. Kindly hold it. You need to hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, all holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and keep touch with us. Please keep touch with us. Subscribe and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification. To every channel is guide you, update you all videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.